Okay, so I just want to give you guys a quick update regarding my last video on Linux. I just decided to put Debian 13 on this laptop here, but I dual booted it because my dad would kill me if I found out that I got rid of Windows 11 on there. So I dual booted it. I gave it like a 50-50 split. My laptop doesn't have a big hard drive to begin with. It's like, how do I use a hard drive? Hang on. Okay, so the hard drive itself on the laptop is 238 gigabytes, but I do have a SD card on here that is how big? Okay, it's about the same size, so that SD card there is staying there indefinitely for extra storage. So I'm using the GNOME desktop environment, which in my opinion, keep in mind this is my opinion, I think GNOME is better than KDE Plasma. There, I said it. I mean, you just hit the super key and then show apps, and it shows you every single app you have on that computer. So why do I like Linux? Well, I think I like Linux because it gives me a challenge. It gives me something to do, and it's free and open source. I always like to support the open source community. Anyway, that's it for today's video, guys. If you guys like this video and want to see more, just smash the like button and subscribe, notification bell, and as always, remember to stay awesome.